how to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to ByBit. So what you want to do is first go to the ByBit website and we will click on Web3. And here we will click on receive. So after you click on receive, search for Solana, just like that, and we'll select Solana. It's going to give us the link here. So we just want to copy this address. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the puzzle piece here in the top right, and I'll open up my Phantom wallet. Now, once you have your Phantom wallet open, you will click on Solana. And here you should see an option to withdraw, and I currently don't have it, but basically what it's going to look like is this. So if you have any Solana, you will click on withdraw here and you will paste the address which we just copied from our ByBit wallet, and you will paste it, type in the amount, and you will send your Solana. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.